Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today we'll talk about the first lesson on our unit 3. It is talking about the soil components. What's meant by soil? Soil, it is a non-compacted superficial or the upper layer which covers the earth's crust. I have many types of the soil. They have different color and texture. The color in the soil indicates the elements and minerals which occur inside it. The texture of the soil may be smooth or granular or rocky rough. The soil component, we have rocks, which consists of or composed of sand, clay, minerals, and gravels. We have water and air and humus and salt, and you must know that sand, humus, and clay, they are the main components of the soil. Here, the structure of the soil, and you must know that we have an important definition about what's meant by humus. Humus, it is the decayed remains or breaking down of dead bodies or dead animals or plants, and they mix it with the component of the soil, and its color is dark brown or black. So when I ask you about give reason for the soil has a dark color, because it contains the humus. Here we have gravel, sand, salt, water plus mud, and we have humus. The importance of the soil. Soil is very important for all living organisms, for plants and animals and human. The plants take minerals and other nutrients from the soil to live and grow. Animals, which depend on the plants, and we have human, which eat or depend on the animals to eat, or depend on the plants to eat also. So human depend on animals and plants, and plants depend on the soil. How, or we will talk about some living organisms which live inside the soil. We have spiders, we have earthworms. They take from the soil as homes or shelter. Let's talk about another point. It is the soil erosion. It is the breaking down of the rocks to form the soil. What are the reason for the soil erosion? We have here running water, we have the change in temperature, and we have wind. Here, this is a picture of the earthworm. Okay, so here the types or the reasons of the soil erosion. We have change in temperature, we have wind, we have running water. All of these reasons cause the soil erosion. How was the soil of Egypt formed? All the soil which occur on the Egypt surface, it is formed from Ethiopian plateau. Ethiopian plateau affected 4 million of years to running water, rain, wind, and heat. So it is broken down into small particles which formed the Egypt soil. Okay. Soil layer. The layers of the soil I have here: top layer, lower, and rocky. The top layer contain plants root, plants leaf, rocks, humus, living organisms. All of these are occur in topsoil layer. Lower soil layer, it is under the top layer, and they don't have much humus. Rocky layer, it is the last layer, and it contains only rocks. The importance of the top soil layer component, we have here plant root. Plant roots, it is very important for the plant. It take the water and the nutrients from the soil, fixes the plant to the soil. Also, the plant roots, it is very important for the soil. The plant roots are very important for the soil. It helps in the soil to be cohesive. Its particles are close to each other, provide the soil with nutrients, prevent soil erosion from happening quickly. Leaves of the plants, and they decay after they fall on the soil and forming humus. Ants and other insects, they dig tunnel in the soil to make their nests or house, to lay egg and take it from the soil as a shelter. And after their death, they change into humus. Earthworms and some spider, they take from the soil as a shelter, and they help the plant root to grow by making a tunnel to allow the air and water and the nutrients to pass easily through the soil. This is the end of our lesson today, and thank you.